All right, y'all, we're going to take a look at this Sony Handycam. It's an 8mm Handycam, and it's a CCD-TRV 138 cosmetic condition. Really good. I don't really see any scratches or anything like that too much. It's nice condition. So it comes with the camcorder. There's a battery attached. There's another battery. Those are first party, I think. And then this is a third party. I am not guaranteeing the condition of the batteries. They may or may not hold a charge well. I really just don't know. I'm not going to test them out. They are pretty inexpensive to buy on eBay if you want to replace them. It does come with the OEM charger right here. The camera can run directly from the charger, which is good. We also come with a little AV cable here. It's going to come with a brand new sealed 8mm tape. It's going to come with the instruction manual, and it's going to come with this really nice case that fits everything easily. Camera goes in here. You can put the charger in here. There's room for tapes and other stuff in the sides. There's even a little thing up here. It's a nice bag, really sturdy. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual function of this thing. There is a tape. Plug this thing in. There is a tape currently in it. We just put the power supply thing in there. There is a tape currently in it, and the way you open it, there's a little eject button down here. And you want to open it like that and just wait. You don't want to force it because this mechanism is pretty delicate, and then it pops open and you have access to the tape. This is a used tape. It's not going to come with, but I'm just going to use this tape for demonstration purposes. So whenever you want to put the tape in, you slide it in, and then you close it like this, and then you let go. It'll automatically take it down. And then once it does, then you can close this hatch up. Okay. And we'll open this guy up. It's asking us to set the date. We're going to skip that for now. And then the mode you set by just going down on this switch. That's the play mode, and that's camera mode. And it's asking for date. All right. And we'll just take this lens cover off, and you can see it's working fine. So I'll go ahead. Let me get in a little closer here. I'll go ahead and just record a little footage real quick. It does have zoom in and out. Let me do that again. Zoom in, and you can see it's the autofocus is working fine. I'll even back up a little bit. And it really gets in there. And it works well. It also has Nightshot mode. Okay, we do actually have a little bit of light in here for monitors and whatnot, but let me turn the Nightshot mode on. And you can see you get kind of a, it's not showing up great on this screen. It looks a little better than that. It has kind of a greenish hue to it, but you can see pretty well. So Nightshot works fine on here. Let me turn the lights back on. Okay, so yeah, once we get done with that, then we just go back in. We're on video mode, or VCR mode, I guess you would call it. I already rewound it. And let me just play back the footage we just shot. Quick, it does have zoom in, zoom out. Do that again. Zoom in, and you can see it's the autofocus is working fine. I'll even back up a little bit. Colors are good, playback's good, sounds good, everything's good. The cosmetic condition of this unit is really good too. So go ahead and eject this tape before I forget. Go through that again. We'll wait for it to pop out. Okay. And so when it ships to y'all, it's going to ship empty, just like this, but I will include this brand new sealed tape. So thanks a bunch for watching.